Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander PHEV stuff. Very exciting times as we see those cars getting delivered to us at rapid pace so we can give them to our clients for them to enjoy. Super excited to get all these different tests and videos on how to and what it's all about and everything else. And today we'll have a look at this. It's a brand new 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV SCL trim level. It's Canadian spec. This one is this one is cosmic blue with light gray, or as I say always, white interior. I absolutely love this spec. This cosmic blue with light gray looks like $1,000,000. I mean, it's great looking trim level. We'll have a detailed look at the exterior and interior as well. We're gonna check out a few PHEV features, but right now we'll do a visual walk around just to see how it looks. So visually it looks the same as regular gas Outlander. So we do have actually one here, same thing. This one here is octane blue base model, and you know what, to a naked eye it looks basically the same. There's few differences how we can tell it's a PHEV. So obviously the badging right here, so it says plug-in hybrid EV, so that's how you know it's a PHEV model. And then as you move along, so we do see that we have the same nice looking design for the Outlander as we had in a gas version. This one also has PHEV side molding right here, so we have color matching with this chrome line that says PHEV. And then also forgot to mention on the hood right here, we do have this special Outlander hood emblem, which has this blue letters with this chrome like outline. So by the way, please leave a comment. What do you think? Which one actually looks better, this here or the chrome versions that we have on the gas Outlander? So which one would you much rather prefer? Or the chrome satin or black versions we have on gas, or this here that we get on the PHEV? And same thing for moldings, please. If you could just put your opinion in comments. Do you like this better with Outlander emblem? Because you can put both on the same, so there's no difference in terms of how the vehicle look. Do you like this better, or for the PHEVs you like the ones with PHEV lettering on? So I haven't done the install video yet. I'll do it soon, probably on this red SCL that's plated for our test drives with Mr. Mitz plates. I love it. Looks so nice. So awesome. Let's move to the back of the vehicle. So there we go. So this one here, same thing from here, not much different from the gas version, but we do have the PHEV emblem right here. And then this part of course is different, because this one here is where the charging, right now it's locked, so the charging ports are in here, and the gas is on the other side right here. So that's how it's a little bit different, and that's how you can tell it's PHEV as well. Visually, this cosmic blue is absolutely one of my favorite colors, and with SCL trim level you get upgraded 20-inch wheels. The car looks even better. So, and by the way, here at Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam, we sell at MSRP. We don't mark things up. If you want to, you just call in to the store, talk to one of our sales representatives. They'll let you know about current wait times and everything else. So I think with all the wait times and everything else, it's very important we do these walk around videos. If you can decide which trim level you want to go with or which color, I hope that these videos help you to see different trim levels in real life, so you can make your decision when the time comes. Right now, let's check out the interior, and this is where I get super excited. We're gonna talk about a few things that we see here, but first of all, when we open the door, this light gray interior, I mean, it looks just amazing together with this cosmic blue color. What a great looking trim level. I love those seats. Those seats are actually pretty easy to maintain based on our customer feedback, so not to be worried if you think they're gonna get dirty super fast or gonna wear out super fast. Not gonna happen unless you kind of purposely damage them. So very nice interior. On the SCL trim level, we have passenger driver's power seat with 2 memory positions, and we also have the same thing for the passenger. So not only the driver is getting 2 memory positions, but the passenger as well. I think it's very, very important that we have that, because you know the passengers change more often than the drivers, I think, and that's a very nice feature to have. And also here in the second row, we do have those heated seats for the second row, so there's a lot of good convenience features added to the second row. The floor mats, by the way, the rubber mats are different on the PHEV than on the regular gas version, so just keep that in mind. And of course, they're all 7-seaters. So the third row is folded right there. I've done a video on reviewing the third row, so if you're interested, have a closer look on how to how it looks and how it folds and unfolds, search up that video on my YouTube channel. So okay, let's jump in real quick and see what's what here in the interior space. Okay, I really like this Outlander. It's such a nice feeling, and the new PHEVs are awesome as well. So the climate is off right now. We can easily turn it on or leave it off. My favorite winter option is heated steering wheel. Love it, love it, love it. Navigation, of course, we have TomTom navigation with the car, which is awesome. So in the PHEV, so overall it's very, very similar to the gas version. So we have a few differences in the screen that we'll cover in a bit, and we also have 2 buttons here that obviously is new for the PHEV version compared to the gas. So this one here is what they call innovative pedal. So once this is activated, you have this light come on the screen right here, this little green light right there, and this is 1 pedal drive. So what it does, it captures a lot more regenerative braking, and it kind of, when you release the pedal, it brakes you like this. So it like brakes the vehicle. I almost have the feeling that, you know, if you're not pressing on the gas, you're braking, and that happens with electric motors. So you're being very easy on your brake pads and rotors. They'll last you a lot more than under regular circumstances. And the other one is the EV selection mode. So as you click it by, you can see that you can go from normal mode to EV priority to battery save mode to charge mode. So these ones we're gonna cover briefly gonna cover more detail in some of the future videos. But one more option that I want to mention to you that I absolutely love is you can change these screens in 2 ways. So you can have this classic looks where you have these big dials, but that gives you limited space on the info right here. Or you can go on to this here, more extended looks, but then you have a lot more information what you can see on here. And especially I really like this energy flow chart right here. If you go back to the classic looks, you basically lose all that real estate, and then you have just engine symbol, you have the battery symbol and the wheels, right? So you don't have that. The second you go back to this enhanced looks, these dials get pushed to the side, and that gives you a lot more view. Look at the detail, like you can see the engine, the motors. Like, I mean, in real life it even looks better than in this video, but I'm a huge fan of this particular screen, because then once you start to drive, you can see how the battery, like energy flows and everything else. Very, very cool. So these are the couple differences that you'll see in the PHEV compared to the regular gas version. And of course we have this here, you know, not only you have normal echo, but you have this power mode. Okay, so when you dial it in, it looks like this. And this is, we'll test that out. I'll do a detailed video on it. But when you're on the highway or the city, it pushes extra torque for your vehicle, and it's like a sport mode, and it really, really makes a difference. Shaves off a couple of seconds from your 0 to 60 as well. So excellent vehicle. We still have large sunroof and everything else. Very, very cool. So excited about these PHEVs. I love it a lot, and especially this cosmic blue color with this, particularly with this light gray interior. It looks so luxurious. And SEL trim level Mitsubishi says it's sort of like, you know, the best value and the best, you know, when it comes to overall car you're getting and money you're paying, because it comes with those upgraded wheels, nice interior, leather interior, has lots of options in it, and looks absolutely fantastic. So there we go. Thank you so much for checking this. Again, this was a 2023 PHEV SEL trim level Canadian spec. Can't wait to make more and more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching it, checking it out, and see you next videos.